design enthusiasts. Welcome to Interior Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're delving into a color schemes palette that brings both tranquility and vitality into your living spaces, the green. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Green, a color often associated with nature, growth, and harmony, offers a versatile range of possibilities for interior design. Let's unpack the nuances of green interior color schemes and explore how to effectively integrate them into your home. The implementation of green interior color schemes signifies more than just aesthetic preference. It represents a deliberate choice to infuse spaces with a sense of balance and rejuvenation. Green, derived from the natural world, psychologically evokes feelings of calmness and stability. In interior design, it serves as a bridge between the external environment and the internal living space, fostering an atmosphere conducive to relaxation and mental clarity. By incorporating varying shades of green, from the deep, rich tones of emerald to the soft, muted hues of sage, designers can create environments that promote well-being and a connection to nature. This color's adaptability allows it to be used as a dominant shade or as an accent, providing a foundation for diverse design styles, from minimalist to maximalist. Choosing green as a primary or secondary color scheme offers a plethora of benefits. Firstly, it has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation, making it ideal for bedrooms and living areas. Secondly, green is incredibly versatile, harmonizing with a wide range of other colors and materials, including natural woods, metals, and textiles. This versatility allows for the creation of layered and dynamic spaces. Furthermore, green can enhance productivity and creativity, making it a suitable choice for home offices or studios. It also serves as a visual connector to the outdoors, fostering a sense of spaciousness and freshness, particularly in urban environments. Finally, green interiors can significantly improve the aesthetic appeal of a space, adding a touch of sophistication and natural elegance. How to decorate my interior with green color schemes to look good? Achieving a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing green interior requires careful consideration of several key elements. Begin by selecting the right shade of green that aligns with the room's purpose and your personal style. For instance, lighter greens can brighten smaller spaces, while darker greens add depth and drama to larger rooms. Integrate natural textures such as wood, stone, and plants to complement the green tones and enhance the connection to nature. Balance the green with neutral colors like white, beige, or gray to prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. Use metallic accents such as gold or brass to add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Layer different shades of green through textiles, artwork, and accessories to create visual interest. Pay attention to lighting, as it can significantly impact how green appears in a room. Natural light enhances the vibrancy of green, while artificial light can alter its tone. Finally, consider the overall flow of your home, ensuring that the green color scheme harmonizes with adjacent rooms to create a seamless and unified design. What are the best ideas for green interior color schemes? Let's explore 10 exceptional green interior color schemes that can transform your living spaces. Emerald and gold. This luxurious combination pairs deep emerald green with metallic gold accents, creating a rich and opulent atmosphere. Ideal for formal living rooms or dining areas. Sage and cream. A serene and calming palette, sage green paired with cream creates a soft, inviting space. Perfect for bedrooms or bathrooms. Forest green and natural wood. This earthy combination brings the outdoors in, combining deep forest green with warm, natural wood tones. Suitable for libraries or studies. Mint and blush. A fresh and playful palette, mint green with blush pink creates a light and airy space. Ideal for nurseries or children's rooms. Olive and terracotta. An organic and rustic combination. Olive green with terracotta hues adds warmth and texture to kitchens or dining spaces. Teal and gray. A sophisticated and modern palette. Teal green with cool gray creates a sleek and contemporary look. Perfect for living rooms or home offices. Lime and white. A vibrant and energetic combination. Lime green with crisp white creates a dynamic and refreshing space. Ideal for kitchens or sunrooms. Hunter green and leather. A classic and timeless combination. Hunter green with rich leather tones adds a sense of tradition and elegance to dens or studies. Avocado and mustard. A retro-inspired palette, avocado green with mustard yellow creates a warm and nostalgic atmosphere. Suitable for living rooms or bedrooms. Moss and charcoal. A moody and dramatic palette, moss green with charcoal gray creates a sophisticated and contemporary look. Ideal for media rooms or lounges. These combinations offer a range of styles and moods, allowing you to select the perfect green interior color scheme for your home. Green interior color schemes offer a versatile and impactful way to transform your living spaces. By understanding the meaning, benefits, and application of green, you can create environments that are both aesthetically pleasing and conducive to well-being. Remember to consider the room's purpose, your personal style, and the overall flow of your home when selecting your green palette. Experiment with different shades, textures, and accents to achieve a cohesive and harmonious design. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your next interior design project. Thank you for joining us on Interior Decor Designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more expert tips and design inspiration. Leave a comment below with your favorite green interior color scheme. Until next time, happy decorating!